Good morning, my dear friend. Today, as the sun rises, take heart in knowing that you possess the strength to face whatever challenges life presents to you. In the heart of each individual lies a wellspring of courage and determination, waiting to be tapped into. Just as the diverse members of the fellowship banded together in the face of adversity, you too can find the strength to persevere through the challenges that life may present. As you embark upon this new day, remember that the bonds of friendship and unity are powerful forces. Seek the support of those around you, for together you can overcome even the most daunting obstacles. The journey may be long, and the road may be treacherous, but the fellowship of friends will light the way through the darkest of times. When doubt clouds your thoughts, think of the countless steps taken by the fellowship, each one bringing them closer to their goal. Let their perseverance inspire you to take each day one step at a time, knowing that every step you take brings you closer to your own dreams and aspirations. So, as you stand on the threshold of a new day, heed these words of wisdom. Even the longest journey begins with a single step. Embrace the possibilities that lie before you and forge your own path, armed with the lessons of the fellowship and the courage that resides within your soul. May the light of the Eldar guide you on your journey, my friend, and have a wonderful day.